Hey guys, I'm gonna show you here a little trick that might help you save a little money. So how to adjust your clutch. Basically, when you have the clutch, now it's all the way out, but the rear wheel is showing that it's still moving where it's not supposed to be, so it's still moving, then your clutch is basically slipping. What you need to do if your clutch is slipping, you go around here and you take out this little cover here. Inside there is a bolt. Go ahead and take out this bolt. If your wheel is moving, your clutch is slipping, then you need to turn this here to the right, so clockwise. What you need to do is grab on the lever, this back lever right here, pull it towards you all the way with your finger. Just go one groove to the right, and then go on again to test it. The clutch is out, as you can see here. The clutch is out, and now let's try to push the bike forward and see if the rear wheel is going to move. Still moves, so what we need to do is do the same thing. Now we're gonna go one more. Push it forward. It started grabbing, and I'll just do one more here. So now it's nice and tight. So basically I'll go back up again, hold the clutch, and I'll make sure that it's moving, the rear wheel is moving smoothly. And as I'm trying this, I'm just gonna let go of the clutch and see if it grabs. If it grabs, then this issue is fixed. Now the other adjustment that you can do is, if you are holding on the clutch but it's not, there is a lot of play, so the clutch it's not tight, there's a lot of play here. What you want to do is you go ahead here again, and now you want to move it counterclockwise, but don't do it too much out, because then your clutch is gonna start slipping. So it has to be not too far in and not too far out. If you have too much play on your clutch lever, then you want to move this towards counterclockwise, this way, one groove at a time. If you have your rear wheel is not grabbing when you let go of the clutch, then it's slipping, then you want to move it clockwise to the right. And then just make sure you put back the bolt in its place, because that will prevent it from moving. Go ahead and install back the cover on all of them, and you're done.